Unlocking the power of e-learning resources for English mastery. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that has transformed the way we learn languages: e-learning resources. These tools are not just revolutionary. They are your gateway to mastering English, no matter where you are in the world. Let's embark on this digital adventure together and discover how these resources can enhance your learning experience. E-learning resources refer to any digital materials used for educational purposes. These can range from websites, apps, and online courses to interactive games, videos, and podcasts. Unlike traditional classroom settings, e-learning resources provide flexible, accessible, and personalized learning experiences. They are designed to fit the learner's pace, preferences, and objectives, making English language learning more engaging and effective. E-learning resources offer numerous advantages. Firstly, they are accessible 24/7, allowing learners to study anytime, anywhere, as long as they have an internet connection. This flexibility helps learners to incorporate English practice into their daily routines easily. Secondly, e-learning resources often include interactive elements, such as quizzes and games, which make learning more enjoyable and effective. Thirdly, many platforms provide instant feedback, helping learners to identify and correct their mistakes in real time. Lastly, the vast array of resources available means that there is something for every learning style and level. To maximize the benefits of e-learning resources, it's important to use them strategically. Start by setting clear goals for what you want to achieve, such as expanding your vocabulary or improving your pronunciation. Then, choose resources that align with your objectives and learning style. Incorporate a mix of materials, such as listening to podcasts for comprehension and using apps for grammar practice. Create a regular study schedule and stick to it, ensuring consistent progress. Finally, engage with online communities or language exchange partners to practice your skills in real-world contexts. E-learning resources have opened up new horizons for English language learners, offering tools that are flexible, comprehensive, and fun. By understanding and strategically utilizing these resources, you can significantly enhance your English learning journey. Remember, the key is to stay motivated, practice regularly, and explore the vast digital landscape of learning opportunities. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you're now ready to unlock the full potential of e-learning resources. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.